Is Boogu Image worth trying out? Before I answer that, let me explain a few things. When I evaluate new models, I mainly focus on two factors. First, the model needs to deliver good image quality. And second, how quickly can it generate an image? For this evaluation, I'm assuming a consumer GPU with 12 GB of VRAM. That's why I'm excluding the base and edit models right from the start. They're simply too slow for my needs. The turbo model is already interesting, but it becomes even more interesting when you look at the GGUF version. Of course, the results depend on the type of image you're generating, but in my opinion, this is definitely a model worth testing. Let me show you a few example images. The easiest way to load a workflow in ComfyUI is by going to Browse Templates and searching for Boogu. There you'll find both the turbo and edit workflows. If it doesn't show up, just update ComfyUI first, click on the workflow, and it will load immediately. On the left side, you'll always see the required models and the folders where they need to be placed. If you click the links, they'll be downloaded automatically. But I don't want to use the standard turbo model here. I want to use the GGUF version instead. So go to Hugging Face and search for Boogu Turbo GGUF. Under the Files section, you can download a compatible version. I used version 5.1. The cool part is that the workflow is actually embedded in the image itself. Just download it or drag it onto your desktop. Now drag and drop the image directly into ComfyUI and the workflow will load instantly. If anything is outlined in red, it means something is missing. In that case, you still need to copy the downloaded model into the correct folder. It goes into the diffusion models directory. You can delete the Turbo LoRa node. In my case, the results were actually worse with the LoRa enabled. Here you can see the loaded 5.1 model. From this point on, everything is pretty standard. Enter your prompt, set the resolution to 1024 by 1024 and the step count to 4. I even tested it with just the prompt hello. Overall, I think this model is worth trying out. Have fun with it.